Hey guys, so today I made this. This is made out of 3 extension nuts just like this one, but bigger, M14, and on the inside I put a threaded rod of M14 of course. The 3 put together and then welded. So in this way it's one long nice bar with the thread. When the 3 extension nuts here are put together with the threaded bar, I put it on the angle grinder, just like that. I let it spin at full speed and I held it against the belt grinder, and that way I get a nice round finish. When this was done, nice cut in the center, and then I made a knife for it. So this is the knife here. It's hardened steel from an old saw blade with one hole in it and then tempered again. So this fits nicely in here. So as you can see, the knife is sticking out just a little bit, so it doesn't tear out to parts. So the good thing is, it only cost me €5 to build, so it's pretty cheap, instead of the expensive one from Arbortech, which is probably a lot better, but this one is a lot cheaper. Just be aware of the blade here. It can be pretty dangerous when it gets out at very high speeds. Of course not for Jörgen Börg, because I'm just a myth, but for all of you guys I would say be careful if you try to replicate this. Thank you for watching and see you later. Bye bye.